Hi, this is Emmanuel from Weaf Point of Sale. We have received a concern from some of our customers who are having issues with registering their items to EFRIS. And when we try to dig deep, we realize some customers are creating categories or departments and they are not allocating them the EFRIS codes. So this is what it's supposed to do. We are going to be looking at how to create a department and give it an EFRIS category code. To create a department, you come to items, then you come to departments. From here, you go ahead and create the department name. You go ahead and give it the tax, give it the unit of measure, then you give it the EFRIS category code. These EFRIS category codes are obtained from EFRIS, or if you don't want to go to EFRIS, you can come to items, EFRIS categories. This contains a list of different category codes as per the EFRIS standard. So you can come and try to copy these codes and use them. You copy this and take the other side. You copy this and take the other side. I'm going to copy this. This is fresh. This is leather leaf. This is leather leaf. So I'm going to come to items, departments. I can create a category here and call it fresh cut. Fresh cuts. I say these ones are always maybe zero rated. The unit of measure default one is PCE. Then the category I give it. I save this. Perfect. Now you have to go through all your categories here that do not have, all your departments here that do not have EFRIS codes, and edit them. How do you edit? Click on it. It will be selected here. Go ahead and give it the necessary information and you click save or update. You have to go through all of them and give them the different codes. So next time when you're creating a product and you happen to choose that category, the item will successfully register at EFRIS. Other than that, the items will keep on failing, they bounce back, and in the long run you'll have so many items which are not registered, which will make you non-compliant, hence you can easily get penalized. Thank you.